What if I told you that there is an AI tool that understands digital marketing and marketing better than ChatGPT? And the best thing about this tool is that you don't need to pay $20 per month as a subscription, and neither you need to buy any APIs. And APIs, by the way, we use in digital marketing and marketing whenever we create any kind of AI agents. Now, if you are a beginner into digital marketing or you are currently in the intermediate level, you should be using AI automation, and we are going to talk about automations and why marketing later in this video. But for now, I'm going to explain you why this tool is better than ChatGPT and why you should, as a marketer and digital marketer, use this tool on daily basis. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Vikrant Yadav. I'm into digital marketing from last 5 years. I moved to UK as a digital marketer. So consider subscribing if you want to grow in digital marketing. But for now, let me start sharing my screen and show you Mistral AI and why you should use Mistral AI in your daily day-to-day tasks as a marketer or digital marketer. So why Mistral AI is better than ChatGPT for digital marketers, specifically for marketers in digital marketing, we are going to talk about, and why you as a marketer should use Mistral AI specifically as a tool, not just ChatGPT, because there are tons of people out there who are using ChatGPT on daily basis, not just in marketing but any other field as well. In all the field, mainly people are using GPT as a primary tool. Now we are going to talk about what differentiate Mistral AI. Now this video is not sponsored at all by Mistral AI, although they definitely reached out to us. But yeah, not sponsored at this moment. This tool is so useful for marketers and digital marketers, and that is why one of the reason I wanted to share this with you guys. Because here you're not going to buy any API. You don't need to buy any API tokens or something, but you'll able to use all kinds of APIs and agents using this tool for free. So first I'm going to talk about the important case study, a couple of reasons why you should consider this, and then we are going to uh, understand how you'll be using this tool. I'll be creating one agent so that you'll be able to see that and implement in your life right away after watching this video. So first, Mistral AI is like having a smart marketing assistant that understands your business needs better than GPT. It's designed specifically to help digital marketers work faster, smarter, and safer. Now, when you open Mistral.ai, all you have to do is you have to click on this particular sign, that is talk to Lee chat. Now, this is a French model. It's a European LLM, by the way, and that is one of the reasons why the name is bit different and difficult to pronounce. So it's a Lee chat. This is normally how they pronounce, and you can pronounce. Uh, and when you open this, this is the interface. You'll see research, think, and in tools you'll be seeing code interpreter, image generation. You can opt canvas as well, web search, and then you'll able to connect Gmail and Google Calendar. Now this Gmail and Google Calendar, there will be a lot of cases and use cases which you'll able to do with connection. We are going to talk about that as well. But as of now, this is how you'll able to access this tool. Now, 5 reasons why Mistral AI wins. Now, your data is safe. That means one of the problem with GPT is it uses your marketing data to train the system. With the Mistral, it's never uses your data for training. That means they have the data which is available in the market. They do a lot of searches in the real time. And it is important for your client campaign strategies and business secrets to stay private for you as well as for the client as well. It is perfect for digital marketing agencies handling confidential client data. Now we all agree that, I mean, if you are a beginner in digital marketing, you don't care about the privacy and all. But as you start working with clients, if you are working specifically for European market, they are very concerned about data. And here in the UK as well, data privacy GDPR is something which people takes very seriously. So for that reason, this tool is perfectly fine for marketers. Follow European privacy laws. So GPT is based in the US, and that is one of the reasons why it is very difficult for them to comply with GDPR. Uh, Mistral is built in Europe with GDPR compliance from day one. And then, of course, Mistral as a tool, since it's a French company, they don't face any legal headache when working with European clients. cost less money, of course, if you're going to subscribe Mistral, although the subscription fees is very cheap, it is half of what you'll be paying to GPT. Uh, and you'll get a lot of features at a very low cost. I think the current pricing is around $10. And if you are a student, you'll be able to acquire this like entire feature and premium for free. Better pricing that won't break your marketing budget. Neither when you start buying APIs and all those things, you don't need to pay a lot. Now it is perfect for small agencies and freelance marketers. And then it is quite better at technical marketing tasks. One of the big problem of GPT is that you'll see people are using ChatGPT for all the purposes. So it is good for general purpose, but not specialized in marketing. And that is where you see Mistral AI comes. It is quite excellent at analyzing the marketing data and all the technical tasks. And we are going to see by putting the prompt of marketing on Mistral and GPT. We'll see both the data in terms of copies as well as the kind of research this both tool can provide. So it is quite perfect for marketers using HubSpot, Salesforce, and Google Analytics. Now, what I'll do will directly start with both the tool. I'll start with Mr. AI. So I'm going to ask this tool to generate marketing plan for me. So I'll pick any website. So for now, I'll pick my own website just to showcase you. And I'll ask this tool to create marketing plan for me if I want to promote my course, which is available now, by the way, on school. So what I'll do, I'll also take the link of my course. It's a 8-week online live program, by the way, paid media program, which is live for the first time, and we have started getting enrollment. So we've started this program literally yesterday. I mean, this is like Saturday in the UK time, and we already have got 5 enrollment. And I'm going to talk about that program later. But yeah, for now, let me just ask this tool to analyze the landing page of school which I've created as well as my website, and if this tool can provide me the marketing strategies. So one more thing you'll notice here is the response will be very quick. So give me the marketing strategy for this live paid ads bootcamp. And here is my website. So let's see. I'll put the website link as well. And you'll see the moment I'll put enter, it will literally start giving me the answer. So I'm putting enter now, and you see the response here, by the way. I mean, I'm not even using the research or thing model, will be quite faster. And I'll type the same prompt on GPT as well. So here is the response of GPT. It starts with positioning. Again, a group. So here is the response from GPT. It starts with positioning, which is again a good idea. Audience, promise, hook angle, and then offer strategies. It also says I have to focus on free lead magnet, bootcamp overview, testimonials and results. While on the other hand, if I go to Mistral AI, it says leverage your website, that is, ensure that your website is optimized for SEO, attracting organic traffic. Content marketing, regularly updates your blog and article on digital marketing trends and tips. And then social media marketing platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. And then on the front of email marketing, and then paid ad, it focused on both partnerships and collaborations, and then webinars and workshops. Now, if I scroll down and I'll click on research, and I'll ask more about the same strategy, that makes sure to research the current competitor as well. And I'm going to put the same prompt on GPT as well. And I'll also use the think longer, or most probably I'm going to use the deep research on GPT. Now, with GPT, they are going to ask a couple of questions which I have to answer first. And on the other hand, on LeChat, it's already started uh, doing the research. So basically, here also have to opt after seeing the couple of analysis. So I'm going to start the research on Mistral AI, and then I'll put few answers on GPT. So one thing which you notice in all the LLMs tool, that they will take a lot of time to do deep research. But the important part for you to understand is how much sources they are collecting while doing the deep research. So if I see on GPT, it says 29 sources. But when you see on Mistral AI, it is already, collected almost 138 sources, which is good. And in terms of timing as well, I am seeing that it is almost 4 minutes, and GPT is still taking a lot of time to do the deep research, but we'll see the results of both. So Mistral AI already completed the deep research, and you can see this here. But on the other side, GPT is still taking a lot of time. It's already been around 4.30 seconds, almost 5 minutes. But with GPT also, even if I refresh now, it will say that you have already exceeded the limit of one deep research. And that is the big problem when you are doing any research of any competitor or of any website. But with LeChat, you can do one more research even after this. Now I'll show you the report. You can directly save this report as a PDF. So I'm going to save this as PDF. I think you're also going to get one more email stating that you have done your deep research on Mr. AI. But you see the kind of clarity you're going to get when you do the deep research on Mr. AI. Now, I'm not promoting or something, but if you see here, the same kind of research you'll be getting on GPT when you subscribe for their pro model. So it starts with my competitor and the current landscape, the strategic positioning, the bootcamp name, the duration, the price, USP, and target audience. And if I scroll down, it says competitors marketing strategic overview. So if I click here, let's say with the current source, it has taken almost 36 sources from multiple websites. And then on every channel, from SEO to social media marketing, I can see the research which is done thoroughly. And on paid ads, partnerships, collaborations, and webinars and workshops, with a proper overview, you're able to get this. While if I see GPT, okay, now it's ready. The digital marketers media buyer bootcamp host. So of course, it has taken the competitor as Aaron and Pericsson's host slash instructor and one more competitor. Now after this, you'll be able to see how Mistral AI can help you in everyday tasks, starting with morning routine, content creation, and campaign management. Now with morning routine, you're able to check the yesterday's campaign performance across all platforms. You're able to get instant summaries of what you're working and what is not working for you. So all you have to do is for that, you just need to go ahead and connect your email and calendar, and then you'll also able to connect your Facebook ads reporting. So basically, if you go ahead and upload the file, and this is something which you can do again on GPT as well, but you have to update and subscribe for the pro model. That means you have to pay at least $20 in most market. And then after that, the most important part of Mr. AI is to generate any kind of API, which means you're able to create your own AI agent. And to do that, we are going to use, and I'm going to show you by creating one AI agent. So simply you have to go to your profile. Under profile, you're able to see the settings. Now under setting, I'll click on switch organization. Now, since I have created two profiles, different profiles for API and different for the lay chat, I'm switching. But if you don't have the profile, all you have to do is you have to just go back and type API. So here, if you see, you'll be able to see it, try the API. So click on this and you will be redirected to the APIs. That means you'll be able to create AI agents. So simply, if you see here, it says create an agent. Now I already have created one agent and that was visible in my profile. So let's say if I click anything, I click on research or tools, you'll able to see that the agents which I created, that is already here. It says your agent. So if I have to just search, you can see that SEO agents is already available for me. Now, how you as a digital marketer or marketer will be creating any agents for you, and I highly recommend everyone, whoever is watching this video, to try and test at least one agents to be ahead of the entire curve of entire AI and agentic future. So what I'll do here is I'll make sure that my API is activated. So I click on API keys. Now here, if you see, I can create a new key. I can create new key, but in this case, since with the free account, you'll still have a lot of access, you're able to create any agents without any API. So I'll go ahead and click on agents. Under overview, I'm going to click on create an agents. Now here, I've given entire documentation on how you will be creating the agents. So first is, so this is I've created for SEO agents, the documentation, but I'll create one more documentation for you to practice after the video. We'll able to do that. And I'm going to leave the document link in the description for you so that you'll able to practice on your own. So I'll click on instructions. So for instance, here I want to understand and make sure that Mistral AI curate all the content for me. So I'll type curate the LinkedIn content for me. And similar to that, I'll give multiple other instructions. I'll just skip the other instruction for the video, but you have to create multiple instructions. So you'll be writing at least 10 to 12 different kind of instructions, which you will be giving to your own AI agents. And then I'll add one demonstration. So for demonstration, I'm going to add couple of examples using my LinkedIn. For that, the privacy purpose, I'm going to hide the screen. And once I'll add all the instructions and model output. Now in model output, I'll be creating the basics. That means I'll write couple of examples and one example showcasing that how I am curating the content and how the agent should curate the content from LinkedIn. So once you created that model output, you can directly click on add demonstrations. You can do that by giving multiple example. And once you have done that, you will be clicking deploy. Now you can deploy this either with Python or with API. So what I'll recommend is you directly start with API, select Mistral Medium. You don't need to select any other model. So they have a lot of model here based on the temperatures. But as of now, the Mistral Medium is working quite fine. So you select that. And once you do that, you will be updating your API agents here. So if you see here, I have the agent ID. I can directly copy the agent ID and then I can test and copy on other tools such as Perplexity and GPT. But GPT, if you're going to try, you'll be needing paid subscription. So you can try this on Perplexity, Gemini, or any other tool. So this is a bit idea. If you want me to create a full video on creating agents, especially for multiple purpose, I'll do that. If you're going to comment agent or if you need any help in creating any kind of agent in digital marketing or marketing. Now, as I told you at the beginning of the video, Mistral AI do a lot of works, specifically for marketers. So for Google Ads, you're able to find profitable keywords. For Facebook ads, you'll be creating engaging copy and different variations of ads. Email marketing, you'll be writing subjects. Of course, these tasks can be done using other platform as well, but then you'll have a lot of limitations. That means you're not able to add your memory. And with this tool, if you keep putting all the data, you'll be seeing that the answers will be very quick and you'll able to analyze all the data and interpret it very quickly. So apart from that, I think the best part which I liked about this tool as of now is the speed. So use this tool and let me know how did it went with you, how you like the tool, and don't forget to subscribe. And at the same time, you can join our paid community. Paid community as in I've created a fresh program, a live program, I think for the first time in the Indian market, where you will be learning Meta ads and Google ads. Along with that, you'll learn how to create your own portfolio, land a job in the UK market. Everything is covered already in the course. So link of this course I'm going to drop in the description. If you're interested, book the first call and see if you can qualify for this course, because this particular course is not for everyone, of course. Only if you're serious, You can just fill the form and my team or me will get back to you. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, do subscribe and share, and don't forget to join the private community which we have created.